Ever watched a video on Facebook and then couldn't find it again? Good news. Facebook actually saves a history of the videos you've watched, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to find them in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, open the menu. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top corner of your screen, also called the hamburger menu. Now go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, find Activity Log. Scroll until you see Your Activity, then tap on Activity Log. Next, check Watched Videos. Tap Your Facebook Activity, then tap Manage Posts. Now tap Filters, Categories, and select Videos You've Watched. And now you'll see a list of videos you've recently watched, along with the dates, making it easy to find anything you missed. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly find your watched videos on Facebook. If this helped you, drop a like and follow for more simple tech tips.